Hey everyone, it's been a while since I picked up the camera, but I'm in the bathroom. I did some adjustments. I put that shelf up, but the reason why I picked up the camera is because my books have just arrived. I am an author. I wrote some books, finally got them published. I figure I'll share it with you guys. Hope you like them too. I'll leave links below. They're finally here. All right, here they are. Oh, wow. These are for Trevor. All right, so the name of my collection will be all about my love for zodiac and astrology. So let me get them organized and I'll share them with you. All right. Are you an empath? Embracing my traits. Designer zodiac styles. Zodiac coloring book. Another zodiac coloring book for kids. And then a calendar. I had to turn the TV down. And then I did a series of notebooks. One for air signs, one for fire signs, and these are all hardcovers. Earth signs, and then water signs. I did a series of paperback. I did the 144,000 chosen ones. Celestial spirits. So pick your drink by your zodiac sign, which is what I love to do. Pick the place to live by your zodiac sign. I also did pick your candle by your zodiac sign. Affirmations, daily affirmations or affirmations for whenever you need them by zodiac sign. Finally, these are just the ones that arrived today. There are more coming, but I did a series of blank page notebooks by the zodiac art work that I did. So I hope you enjoy them. These were like the 12 houses of the zodiac sign. Love that. Meditation. So for all the books that I've made, I've ordered 5 copies because I'm gonna do like a show. But this looks really nice. And then I did a journal for one of my podcasts. This is how it looks. So I'll go through and share with you like all my steps. Here are the pages. All right, so I did some screen records because this would not be my channel if I did not show you too how to do it. So as of right now, Amazon KDP Publishing Company will let you upload your book for free. I also uploaded my book to Barnes & Noble, but I just figured I'll show you on KDP. Create a free KDP account. I think it takes 1 day to get approved. And then also, this page I'm showing you is the page for the template. So I'm giving you the easy way to do it. But if you already have a book in you, you already have something written out, use this template, copy paste in your book, and then you're set for upload. This is the quick and easiest way to do it. And then once you get the book inside a Word document or whatever, I think I did Word document for sure. I use ChatGPT to check some of my paragraphs, to check some of my wording, or to rewrite it to make it grammar correct. So please download ChatGPT. It is free. You can log in online and you can copy paste your paragraphs in. You can ask it to create certain top chapter titles, however you want to do it. I'm just giving you resources to pull your book together. So now you have the template, now you have the title, and you have all the pages edited and checked by ChatGPT. ChatGPT will also create like the cover description and description for the to sell it on Amazon, so it'll make your book more attractive. So use ChatGPT for that. And I'm going to also show you more examples of my different book titles. I even took all of my zodiacs because that is definitely my passion. I want to create 12 zodiac books based on real life things that I done. Because I know I'm an astrologer an astrologer. So anywho, I just want to give you guys the fastest and the best ways to do it. And I use ChatGPT, and then I also rewrite it, copy paste it again, put it back in there. Just ask it to check your grammar, not to rewrite anything, but check your grammar and make sure everything has the commas and periods and quotations in the right spot. And that's how I got my book published so quickly. And then you can download a copy of your book to PDF from Amazon. And of course, you can download a copy of your book from Word to PDF. And then I uploaded it like to Barnes and Noble. And then I also went to the Library of Congress to make sure my book is registered. So just, Google to follow the steps. But this is just one way you can do it. And this works for blank notebooks. It works with how-to books, because mine would definitely be Zodiac books and how-tos. It will also be about novels. So my son writes books about him sewing and his adventures as a sewist. So just, take what you already have in you, put it in a book, share it with the world. And here is a great way that you can do it from one author to the next. So find me on Amazon.com. Here is my authors page. Please follow me. Order one of my books. I hope you enjoy it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions on how to get your book, your thoughts onto paper, onto, the template, and upload it to KDP. I can help as much as possible. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.